All right, so right here is almost the heart to this engine. It actually supports the crankshaft to the block. So you can't drop them all at once. You got to drop half of them and then you can drop the other half. It's important to look at your part numbers and stuff on your anything you tear apart, always look at it. This one right here, if it says STD, it's a standard bearing, but this says 0.50. So it's actually 20 thousandths oversized bearing. And that is our hold up right now. We had to order some oversized bearings because a regular bearing will not work. If we put a regular bearing in here, it's not going to have no oil pressure. And that would not be good. So it's always important to check your parts when you're tearing it down so you know. So when the new bearings get here, we got to use this plastic gauge. And what you do is you put the bearing in, and you're going to tear this off. So look, it looks like false, but we're going to put it down in there, and we actually have to install all of these and with this on it, and then we'll drop them back down, and this is our gauge right here. So it tells us where we're going to be at. Once that goes in there and smushes down, we'll be able to know where we're at. If we're in spec, we'll be able to keep on rolling. If not, then we'll have to pull this crank out. So let's hope that we'll be able to rock and roll with what we got here. So whenever we get them all back together, it's important that you have this anaerobic gel, and you're going to put it on the top side of these main bearings, and we'll show you all that once we get everything good to go. And you always need some assembly lube, so we can lube up all the bearings, so whenever it starts up, it's not a dry start. That's the most important thing, is to not have a dry start. And same with these bolts. We have to lube the bolts up so that they're not dry when we're putting them in. We'll put a little bit of oil on them and put this up at the top. And then we'll be ready to roll. Let's just hope and pray that this is all we got to do is put them new bearings in, and we'll be ready to rock and roll.